The Visionary Nigeria is all about discovering, mentoring, and empowering young entrepreneurs. We are all about helping them make their dreams happen. And it's been such a fulfilling experience in the last few years, disseminating entrepreneurial education, in schools across the country, especially some of the public schools in the FCT. And just seeing some of those students awaken to their gifts and pursuing their dreams has been an awesome experience, to say the least. And we are now ready to move into communities to do what we do best, which is teaching entrepreneurship, showing people how they can make their dreams happen, and working with them to actually actualize these dreams. I'm happy to say that we are set to launch the first phase of our entrepreneurial skill acquisition program, which is all about manufacturing and packaging. And we're also going to look at retail management and cinematography and photography. Those are some of the skill acquisition programs we are set to launch in the various communities we are going to be working with, to make sure that some of these are restless Nigerian youths do find their passion, engage positively in, activities that they would love, and most importantly, make money doing activities they love. This has been the work of my life. This has been my dream. This has been my passion. And I can't wait to get in there to mentor some of these youths to make sure that we get their skills running. We put them in situations where they can manufacture, and some of their products are exportable. These are some of the things we're going to be pushing. So look out for me. I'm coming to your community. See you there.
Hi, my name is Dejiba Mishai. I'm a partner with Visionary Africa. I specialize in manufacturing setup, retail setup, logistics, and every other thing in the value chain therein. We started collaboration actively in 2018 when we both realized that the Naira was failing and it will no longer sustain business, trading, import-based business. So we decided to test run a cottage industry. The idea for the cottage industry came from Nara and I over 20 years of contract manufacturing garments in China, and we realized that the strength of the Chinese economy was 5 million factories sustaining the entire 5 million cottage mom and pop factories sustaining the entire country. And we decided to tailor fit it to the Nigerian story. One, all our factories are 10 kVA generator powered. Two, all our factories are run by 4 to 5 man teams. Three, all our equipment are between the most expensive factory setup is a 3 million naira factory for pure water and sachet water. All our factories are between 250,000 to 3 million naira. And four, each production line must have the capacity to produce 250,000 naira worth of products every day. And in the last 2 years, I'm happy to tell you that we've exceeded that production target. We've gone beyond the original four. We've done water, table water, sachet water, flavored water, factory setup for a gentleman in Kwara State. We've done an extrusion, chocolate bar extrusion process, and a soap bar, somewhat like Dudu Osum extrusion project. We have a lot of the videos. They're all fun videos. They're in English, Yoruba, Pidgin, of the build, our baby steps, our failures, our successes. Enjoy our video. This has been the story of making it work in Nigeria using young 18 to 25-year-old kids, you don't need a degree, you need common sense. You need to be able to be trainable. And we don't need a 50 kVA Meccano gas guzzler. We use early park Tiger generators that are 7, 8 kVA, and it powers. We've built our factories in such a way that it powers our factory. One of the things I also forgot to tell you, we also roast granules, epa, and I'll tell you, it's we have one machine only peels and roasts it, and that's been one of our most successful production lines. I'll show you that machine in operation also. Have fun, enjoy our videos.
What you're looking at is the plantain slicer. It's an automated slicing knife. Um, it slices 1 ton of plantain, unripe plantain, in 2 hours. 1 ton is the equivalent of 1,000 kilograms, but it does it in 2 hours. I'll send a picture of the fryer, and from the fryer it goes into post-production packaging, which is where you are now. The packaging consists of a rotary machine, a dosing machine, and the sealers. The video is of the process, the entire process. Welcome to our peanut burger production line. It's a very complex but simple enough process. It starts with your syrup creation. It produces the syrup, then you get all your raw materials, your groundnut, your flour, and you put it in the pan, in the coating pan, and you gradually coat the flour with the syrup till the groundnut is encased in a thick 2-inch uh, wall of flour. At that point, it is put in the fryer and fried for about 15-20 minutes. After the frying process, it goes into the dryer where it stays for 20 to 45 minutes to dry and cool off. And then from there, it goes into the sealing machine. It's an almost seamless process, and you need a team of six young men to do from coating, from picking the groundnut to coating to frying to sealing and packaging. 6 men or women, as it might be. Welcome back again to our video series and our production series. This is our popcorn production line. It's actually quite easy it's difficult but easy. We have 2 poppers. We bought one in China and we reverse engineered it and made and copied it exactly in Nigeria. um your the popcorn machines typically pops 1.5 kilograms every 7 minutes. It's a lot of heat. You can see the women there. And it's quite fun. It's very sweet. So you're eating and popping at the same time. Uh, we with the 2 machines, we have the capacity to make 4 bags of popcorn a day. That's 100 kilograms of popcorn a day. Commercial value is 100 kilograms is about 180, 200,000 naira worth of popcorn daily. From popping, it goes to the same cooling dryer. From the dryer, it goes directly into the packaging machine. That's what we have here. I think we even have a video of one of our deliveries. Popcorn is one of the very, very easy to produce, easy to market, in high demand all the time, high naira value. You make either 50 naira or 100 naira sachets. So a pack is either 1,000 naira or 2,000 naira. So you have a good. It's a lot of work using a 4 or 5 man team also. Enjoy.